Sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by. All kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is a day in my life, and I'll also be sharing a haul of some like kitchen and home essentials of some amazing national brands that I found on Walmart. You guys know I love shopping on there, especially if I'm trying to find like the most affordable prices. I go on Walmart. So thank you so much to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. I found some amazing pieces. Okay, let's start with the kitchen home essentials haul. I'll start with my absolute favorite, the Ninja Creami. Here's the thing. So originally I thought it was like kind of a gimmicky kind of appliance, and I'm like, do I need it? I've been seeing it all over like Instagram and TikTok and stuff. But I just keep seeing it, and I keep seeing like everyone's creations, and I'm like, it looks like a legit ice cream. So I gave in, and my biggest regret is not buying it sooner. And Walmart has an amazing price on it. I hope it's still on sale. So I will link it below. Links to everything will be down below as always. But basically like the technology on it is like, it creates like an air, and like the way the blade spins, like I don't know the whole like science behind it, but it's not like a gimmicky type of thing. Like it is legit and makes ice cream in a matter of like 5 minutes. This one's supposed to be like a pineapple sorbet.
Please.
That was really good.
Ready for you.
Oh yeah.
Is it good? Cheers!
Cheers. Cheers. I'm not gonna go into every recipe, but a lot of them are just like literally a fruit, a little bit of milk, maybe like a splash of half and half, and then coconut cream. So like they're so simple, and I know all the ingredients that go into it, and they taste delicious. It's just the most amazing thing. So I've been obsessed. I've been making so many different recipes. I feel like I have like my base down and just kind of what I like and what works for me. It's the most amazing thing. You need one. I'll link it below. Next up, another favorite is the Sharper Image milk frother. So I've actually gone through so many different milk frothers. This one is amazing. I've actually been using it for the last 2 days. This is just the box. I have it sitting on my counter. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a matcha girly now. I have been for the past almost a year. I've been drinking matcha almost every single day. So this works so well to mix it up and like to froth up my milk. It's just amazing. And I've tried so many other milk frothers, and they end up breaking on me after like 2 months. So, and they're also, none of them have ever been as strong as this. Like when I turned it on, I was like, oh my God, like this thing was insane. So definitely get a good brand like the Sharper Image one. I will link this exact one below. And also, it's really pretty too. Like it's a lot prettier than the other ones I have, and like the little stand and everything, super functional. I love it. It's a must have if you like to froth up your milk, or if you like to do matcha like I do.
Do matcha first, then we'll make a cedar. Make the matcha. We're making the matcha like that. Do you see? You just have to put a little bit in. That's a lot.
That's a lot.
That's a lot right here.
Okay, we did do quite a bit. No, leave that in there. Can you help me put the cinnamon in?
I'll help you do this.
Thank you. Okay. You can do a lot, baby. Very good. More. Here it is.
This is gonna be so good.
Okay, go.
Okay.
I trust you.
Whoa! Keep doing it.
Yes.
It sounds really good, Mama.
For that.
That's good, Mama.
Okay, help me pour some of this.
Bak, 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 bak.
And then we fill the rest with water.
And then put ice in.
Yep.
How much do we have to put in it? And then we send this with a new one. You see it? And this bottom is where it's set. So we put it in like this, and then it makes it seem. Hey, why do we need a straw to mix it? That's my straw. Can I try?
No, you cannot. Meadow, stop.
That's my straw.
It doesn't matter. This is not yours. And then, okay, this is new. I have not tried this. It's the XO or OXO Softworks. I have a lot of stuff from this brand, and I always just love it. I know it's like great quality, reliable stuff. So I got the chopper. I like that you just throw like onions or zucchini, whatever you want, and you just kind of chop it up. So had to have one of these. I also love the size of it. It's like the perfect small size. Onions is like my number one thing that I hate chopping up, and I will not chop it up unless I have something.
Can I help you, Mama, put the plants in?
Here, you can help me cut it up. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay.
You put carrots in there?
Yep. Can I try?
Yep. Can I do it?
Good job.
Well, can I help you put it in?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, you did so good. Okay, pour this in. This is it. Good job.
That was good.
And then the KitchenAid expandable colander. Colander. I think that's how you say it, right? Oh, you just pull. Okay. Oh. Voila. Put this on your sink. Oh, I've been needing one of these. Okay, this feels like legit, super nice quality. Again, KitchenAid, reliable brand. I have a lot of stuff from this brand, especially in my kitchen. They just make amazing kitchen appliances and kitchen stuff like this. Love this. If you've been looking for one or needing one, I will link this exact one below. And then the last kitchen gadget, again, the xoxo or OXO Softworks. It's the V-Blade mandolin slicer. So this I've never tried before, but I'm like, I don't know why I've never had one. But basically, again, with like onions, like look at how nicely it can cut them up. And I read a lot of reviews. The reviews are amazing. It has like different sizes that you can like chop up stuff in. You can also like do like zucchini, potatoes. I think that was like my main reason of like, I'm like, I need this for like potatoes, again, onions, tomatoes, so many things. Like, you guys, this is how you know you're getting old, is when you're excited about all these kitchen gadgets and kitchen appliances. But I'm telling you, they're so essential and they're so good. And I found them all on Walmart.
And now we're gonna spin it, right?
Yeah, we put the spinner in.
It's gonna pop again.
We're gonna use the
It's gonna pop in my face. You're gonna do this a nice.
Wanna try?
Yeah. Can I try it?
Cheers.
No, you cannot try it.
I'll save the dinosaur leg. I need it outside. I need it outside.
Yes!
I need it out, Mama.
Good job, baby.
I need a real out,
Let me see, let me-
I need another out, guys.
You did it again? Let me see. Wow.
Not yet.
Oh no, you didn't do that one. Meadow! Come here, baby. Meadow, baby, I have to do your hair. Because we're gonna leave. Oh my gosh. Come here.
Hi, Blackie. Oh yeah, this was cool.
Any other spot? Family outfits. Show them your outfit.
No.
Say, where's your outfit from?
Mommy.
Mommy.
Yeah, Bobby made the outfit. Winner, winners, twinner, winners.
That's fine.
Foot five.
Who taught you about
Foot
football?
five. Peace out, Vloggy.
Peace out.
I gotta go. We're gonna come right back.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just headed out to some like bands and brews thing. Oh, here's some Justin. So Meadow wants me to leave without him, but then right now you said don't leave, he's gonna cry. Oh, okay. You want me to leave without him? There he is. Ah! Should we let him in?
No.
Oh.
Are you gonna be sad?
I've been playing a game every night called Bowser.
Princess Peach, come out of your castle.
Don't do it, Princess Peach!
Strong power. Oh. carry you. Whoa! No! You're too powerful, Princess Peach!
Water power.
Water power. Man, that's gonna fall. That's gonna fall. Oh my gosh.
Come out here, Castle! Say Daddy's the best!
Mommy's the best.
Hey! No! No!
Poppy, like,
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, she's gonna fall! No!
I get hard, Mommy gets me easy.
Okay. Alright, here's the hard one. Where are the 4 carrots?
Go turn on your light, baby.
Turn it away.
They're closed.
Close.
Yay!
Look at all your stuffed animals. Come on, get in. That's my kid.
I know like an angel, too good to be true. Angel baby, my angel baby, sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. I love you, baby.
Love you, baby. You're so good today. Thank you.
Okay, we just laid Meadow down, and you know when you're like holding your breath, I'm like, I don't know if she's gonna go down super easily. She's 50-50, and when it's hard, it means she comes out like 2 or 3 times saying she needs water or saying she needs a toy or saying something. And then other times, like tonight, she went straight to sleep. Like she must have been donezo exhausted. So yeah, now what I've been looking forward to, which I just realized, I think I was looking at that, which is not the camera. I don't know where I'm looking because my camera died, so I'm using my phone. But now I've been looking forward to this after, like, you know, when you put her to sleep and you're like, oh, now I can relax, watch a show and enjoy some ice cream on my Creami. I'm telling you guys, like, this is what I mean by I've been obsessed and been making ice cream. The texture is so good. It's kind of like a sorbet, like soft, a little creamy. Debating if I should kind of work a little bit. If you guys don't know, I do have a kids clothing shop, which is what Meadow was wearing. And I've been actually like making my own designs. Like I don't personally draw it myself, but I basically do everything start to finish. Like create the item from scratch, the material that I want, the measurements of whatever I'm creating. I've been doing sets, the colors of everything, and then obviously like the placement, what size I want it to be, like so many little things. But I've been loving it, and yeah, that's what Meadow's wearing. Like I made that whole flower set that she had on. So anyways, usually when she goes to sleep, I like to just create more designs and just kind of mess with it and see what I like and what I like want to bring to the shop. And right now we're in July, but I'm working on Christmas stuff already. I'm actually working on Halloween stuff currently, but I do already have some stuff, in the works for Christmas. So I'm working on both, and just like fall and winter stuff in general, because you really have to work on the stuff like far in advance in order to like get it into production, get the samples in time. Like it's a whole long process, which I knew it would be. But anyways, it's been so fun. I've been loving it. It's called Monies and Meadows, if you guys didn't know. I've talked about it a few times, but I feel like I didn't ever talk about it on YouTube too much. Part of me just wants to relax. The other part of me wants to work on that. Oh my gosh. The other thing I really need to work on is Meadow's birthday party. This girl has been asking me about her birthday every single day for the last 4 months, since like March. Every single day. Is it my birthday? When is my birthday? We've been telling her no. First it's gonna be mommy's birthday, then it's 4th of July, then it's this. Like there's been so many other holidays and birthdays and stuff that have come and gone, and now she's finally like, it's my birthday next. Like no one else's birthday and no other holiday. She's been asking every single day. It's the cutest thing. And because of that, every single year I say I'm not gonna throw like any crazy birthday party or anything, but every single year, like, she's just so cute and like is so excited about her birthday. So I obviously want to do something really special. It's not going to be anything big. It's just small, family, and like a few friends, like literally something really small, but I do want it to be really special. And it's a Princess Peach birthday. That's what she asked for. And it's actually been pretty fun, like working around that theme and doing like super pink Princess Peach kind of stuff, like really like childish, if you know what I'm saying, but also still looking cute and not like too if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys did enjoy it. Thank you so much to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Of course, links will be down below as always. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.